Hello. Today we're going to put something Gothic on this old piece of board. We need something on our porch to fill up a spot. And so I started thinking about what we could do here rather than buy something, of course. And it occurred to me, since this is 2020, what could be better than the Plague Doctor? He can welcome the guests to the porch. So we're going to kind of cut this out, give it a little teared edge, and attach it to our board. And see if we can make it all match up, because it's different colors. And my printer is running out of ink, so we're going to have to fill in with stain, and hopefully that will work out. We'll see in a minute. But we're going to do our Gothic Plague Doctor. Stay tuned and find out how this proceeds. Okay, so we got him kind of cut, tore out, and we glued him to the piece of wood, and then we took a stain that was watered down slightly and put it over the wood and our Plague Doctor to make them blend in better. And as you can see, that worked out pretty well. So we're getting there. We're not done yet. We have to wait for that to dry and hope it doesn't ripple up or anything. And then we could give it a coat of polyurethane, and we will most probably be finished with it. And this took no time at all, and it's free, unless you want to count printer ink. But wait, we get to see what it looks like when it's finished, so hold on, we'll wait for this to dry. So now our polyurethane is dry, and I thought maybe this could be it and it would be finished, but it kind of looks like it needs something else. So we're going to look up the Plague Doctor and see if we can find something else to put on here from that. So stay tuned. So this is what I came up with after consulting the all-knowing Google, was that the first image of the Plague Doctor appeared in 1619. So we have our Gothic 1619 numbers. And we just got a little skull down here, just for fun. So it kind of looks like that. And we gave it another coat of polyurethane on the front just to make sure that paper, the print picture, stays attached. And by the way, this isn't going out where the weather can get to it. It'll be on the porch, so it'll be kind of protected by rain and such. You wouldn't want to put something with a print out into the weather. So now we're waiting for this to dry. And here we are with our finished project. Our Plague Doctor. As you can see, I added a few things. 1619 is actually when the first image of the Plague Doctor was recorded. If I haven't said that already, and I might have. I added a little tassel down here. next to the skull. And it goes out onto our porch that, if you watch the video, this year we added a few little Gothic touches. Which are in a different video. Our little welcome sign. Our other Gothic things. But that is, oops, get the right picture here. That's our plague doctor, and now he's welcoming the guest who come to the door. Who better? So, wait for that noise to pass by. If you like this video, like most of the others, hit like. If you haven't already, please subscribe for more. Like always, we need more and more and more subscribers. A little metal tin. So let me know if you like it. Stand by for the next one. Thanks for watching. Plague Doctor!